Hi.
Vasudha.
Yeah. Hemant?
Yes. आप तो बड़ी हॉट. Please.
Thanks.
Nice place.
Been here before?
My first time. Yours?
Same.
All right.
Do you have any vegan options?
I'll have a meat burger. Okay.
Or pani?
Sure.
Thank you.
Nothing else to drink.
No, I'm a totalitarian.
You mean teetotaler?
Yeah, I said that only, right? मैं 2 साल से vegan हूँ. And I think हमारे world की जो हालत है, veganism is even more important.